Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to complete the setup process of this laptop. I suggest if you don't have access to your touchpad, then it's better if you use an external mouse, but I'm gonna use a keyboard just to show you how it's done using a keyboard, just in case. So on the first page, select the right country or region, navigating with your arrow buttons, and then press enter to confirm. Then select the right keyboard layout for your laptop and press enter once again to confirm. Then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, press tab several times until you have add layouts option selected. Otherwise click skip with enter. Then let's connect to Wi-Fi network. So using your arrow keys, select the Wi-Fi network that you want to connect to. Press enter. Then if you don't want to connect automatically, press spacebar to switch this to uncheck the checkbox, and then press tab and press enter to connect. Then enter the password for your network if it's required and press enter, and wait until you are connected. And once you are connected, press tab several times until you have next option selected. Press enter to continue and wait until Windows checks for updates. On the following page, you can name your device by entering the device name into the field that you can see in front of you, or you can skip this step for now. Well, if you want to name your device, then enter the name, then press enter to continue. Your PC will restart and you will end up on this following page, but you can also press tab and select skip for now. You don't really need to do that. Then your Windows will start downloading the updates. So at this point, just wait for about 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. Okay, never mind. It's gonna for now, let's select how we want to set up this device. So using your tab button, select one of these two options. Then using up and down arrow keys, you can navigate between them. And now if your device is your property, then select setup for personal use. If it's a property of your organization, then select setup for work and school and press enter, and press enter once again in order to continue. And at this point, what I said is gonna be happening. So right now your Windows is gonna be installing all the updates required to start up your PC. So it's gonna take about half an hour. Make sure that your device is plugged into the power source, and just wait until all the updates are installed. Okay, and once the updates are installed, you'll be able to use your touchpad. So feel free to use it from now. So now click sign in and sign in to your Microsoft account. On the following page, input your email or phone number connected to your Microsoft account. Press enter, enter the password to your Microsoft account, and press enter again, and wait for a while. If you want to use your fingerprint to sign in, you can click yes, set up, and set up a fingerprint, but I'm gonna skip this step for now by clicking skip for now. You can also do this in settings. Now create a PIN for your device. So on the following page, enter your pin code and confirm it in the following field. Then press OK and wait. Then choose some privacy settings for your device. I usually go with location and find my device features enabled. They let me use location-based experiences like local news, weather and directions, and find my device feature lets you find your device in case it gets lost or stolen. Now diagnostic data collects your data for Microsoft Diagnostics. Ink and type in basically does the same thing, but with your keyboard usage, and personalized offers are basically for personalized advertising. So I usually switch these last three options to no. Then click accept once you are content with your choice. So basically you can choose whatever you like. And then if you want to recover your old backup, then you can click continue if you are offered to. But if you want to set your device as new, which I'm gonna do, click more options and then select a setup as a new PC, and then click setup as a new PC again to confirm. Then wait for a while. Now on the following page, you'll be able to customize your experience by selecting one of these options and selecting accept, but you can also do this later in settings and it doesn't really change anything in your device. So I'm gonna skip this step for now, and then you can do this whenever you like in settings. Now if you want to use your phone from your PC, if you have an Android phone, then scan this QR code that you can see right here and proceed with the instructions. And if you have an iPhone, then skip this step and pair your iPhone in iPhone link. I'm gonna skip this step for now by clicking skip next to the next option. Now if you want to back up your phone's photo, then scan this QR code and click next. I'm gonna skip this step too. Now if you want to synchronize your browsing data, you can click accept. I'm gonna click not now. Then click next. And then if you want a subscription to Game Pass for 20 bucks, then click join, but you can also skip this offer for now. And at this point the setup process is complete. So thank you very much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.